At Fachpack 2024, we are at the stand of the IMA FLX HUB, almost ready to meet Andrea Pellegrini, Sales Director of the company. But before to start our interview, do not forget to follow us on the social to keep posted on the last innovations, technologies for the food and beverage and packaging industry. Andrea, why is Fachpack a key show for the IMA FLX HUB?
Fachpack is a key show for us since many years. Here we can meet local customers and international customers. And also we can meet customers from different market segments.
What does IMA FLX HUB offer and what are the strategies in place?
FLX HUB is a group of companies specialists in handling and packaging flexible material. And our strategy today is also to supply complete turnkey solution, thanks to the capability that we have using synergies of other companies of the group.
Which are the solutions that you are exhibiting here at Fachpack 2024?
Here at Fachpack we have a vertical bagging machine, high speed, VT6000DZ, machine that we presented at the Interpack in 2023, and we had a great success. So we exhibit again a machine with a capability to handle all the different pack styles typical of a vertical bagging machine with an automatic full changeover and then allowing the machine to change from one format to the other in a really few seconds. And on top of that, thanks to the open frame solution, we have a great accessibility for maintenance and cleanability of the machine.
Andrea, just a few words regarding sustainability.
Sustainability is an integral part of the IMA program. In the FLX HUB, we are specialists in handling recyclable and paper-based material. Thanks to the open lab, the laboratory that we have in our company, we can not only trial on machines new material, but we can also carry out a deep technical analysis and physical analysis of the material to understand the characteristic of singular material. And after different years of activities, we are now in a very important database that is very useful to make sure that our machine will perform properly with the new material. Also, we have the capability to retrofit on existing machine, recyclable or paper-based material, and that is extremely important because we can modify old machines to the new requirements of the market.
What fairs are you going to be present in the next months?
We will be at the Global Produce Show in Atlanta in the US. And then in November, we will be in a Pack Expo in Chicago and in Gulfood in Dubai.
It's great. So we'll meet again the IMA FLX HUB in November in Dubai.